The House of Representatives passed the most devastating legislative assault on women's health in America's history by passing a budget that will cut all funding for our nation's family planning programs.
Republicans in the House want to cut Planned Parenthood's $300 million in federal funding.
The time has come to deny all federal funding to Planned Parenthood of America.
And we must not be forced to fund an organization that is destroying our nation's future.
The Pence Amendment would prevent Planned Parenthood from receiving any taxpayer dollars. In 2009 alone, Planned Parenthood, the nation's largest abortion provider, violently killed over 320,000 little boys and girls through abortion.
We're asking you to call your member of the House of Representatives and tell them that defunding Planned Parenthood is non-negotiable.
So you believe that killing an innocent human being should be kept legal?
Planned Parenthood goes after the youth of America on college campuses and on high schools.
Imagine if you lived in Germany just before World War II. The German government presents a law to defund the concentration camps. All you need to do is contact your political representatives and plead with them to vote to defund the killing centers. Abortion is the greatest moral injustice of our time, but together we can save lives.
During the debate, I saw a lot of people talking about women's health care without actually having ever experienced those services themselves.
For the new Republican Congress, Planned Parenthood is a prime target.
And now they've even gone further, seeking to take away funding for all of Planned Parenthood's vital work, including our full range of preventive care.
This funding is helping to provide life-saving cancer screenings, birth control, STD testing to the people who need it most, the people that can't otherwise afford it.
Cancer screening, STD screenings, breast exams, women's rights, right here with Planned Parenthood.
The notion that funds could be cut from a program like that is really a bias against women, a bias against families.
This tour is all about the incredible life-saving health care that our affiliates are delivering every day in our health centers.
1 in 5 American women gets care from Planned Parenthood in her lifetime. We owe it to these women and the men and teens we serve to stand up and fight back.
If I had not been able to go to Planned Parenthood, I don't think I could have afforded the medication I needed.
We provide health care to anyone. We prevent pregnancy, we have STD testing, free HIV testing, cervical cancer screening.
I just picked myself up and ran to the floor. I can tell you I know a lot about having black babies. I've had 3 of them. And I had my first one when I was 18 years old.
We're leaving this world to our children, and we have to leave them something that they would enjoy or something they would like living in.
Some guy you've never met who was elected by someone else you've never met is going to decide when and where, your reproductive health is handled.
Come to feel safe, to get information about reproductive health, to get information about youth development, to help them decide on their life choices.
I stand with Planned Parenthood.
I stand with Planned Parenthood.
I stand with Planned Parenthood.
Yo apoyo a Planned Parenthood.
I stand with 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 Planned Parenthood because it's essential to the well-being of our community.
Because every woman deserves access to reproductive health care services.
Because everyone deserves quality, affordable health care.
Stand with Planned Parenthood. I do.